Jun kama kawa kama dawa una nagotebia nga igikaro ritukerigaria rero nigo kere fire bin fire iko bageni bane bonse nduchinga baikira igase studio unorocho mu director nako koro kyabo ntagete tuchake bwangu sana kiagara karo tubate discussion ni ngansu nega chinse chikogenda bwangu sana tukulia rero tukuringa nga yense ito ya Kenya rochi ase wiki go sasa chi wiki chabire chigo ete meeting yabire go eta kuru June last year twarigereirie nse kegotwara a lot of tension na kekogera rero twaretire a political analyst twaretire mwanasiasa twaretire Gen Z na bego twaretire pastor atokonye kugayana mangana yega tumanyenga intubuna bagusi ntwanjete buraburu nonye nase town ito ya Kisi twaene kirie bintu bigo saligu twaene kirie abantu bawo kwana mangana mabe lakini rende eyensiasa nturiko tebanga abantu mbarobekana kurende nere nibe saligu nere abantu baluzi chigasi ainaro tukwanira senga kiabono ega useseri tukirigali rero na asobwangu monontete kwa introduction yabageni bane litukeriga liya rero ndagete tuchakire asense moyo koboko kwano kuriyo omusubatu nabagote ba ladies first atebyo mu gusingera ningo nainde emirimo ya enereri nainde kuruga butumanye kogendera karibu sana baba
Panyagetinge nabakwana rimbu ya mure mwesi asamari tangoro ku Melody Moranya Choti koru omonto nde oyo Kisi County ngoro ase ward koru kunyamasibi ward ikorongo inche ngoro mwanya kebondo family na nagokire tosanga nenu torale na Kenya yitekwa na moto
Melody na korora so mutandao sana nga waiting women rep igo ere eliye cheche gose unataka kuvalia njuga swala hilo
Manyagetinge ngo batebi inche na erure naende na pimire na role na inche na bongo isana koba umugumenere po Kisi County tiniko kora abantu bagusiye cheche na mwire naende na tebire muna into abantu abaketo gokina boniga takire tobwatira ni hamo tochamu na ntuso asobogambi igonche abantu baito ngo batebi nonde kirogeke bakengori nechikura chirinda nyore na cheche nyasaya ngere.
Thank you very much Melody Nyachoti waiting women rep Kisi County asensemo ya mtu naende gentleman tali moga ni monasi kamera chigacheito totebingo my brother
mebono mugusi wo mubimasole imeagusi na isiko ya gusi bali bole kitawoni hawa na Nairobi Mombasa Andos Kisumu abakwani asomo ngabala yona muyemure mwenzi samareta na ngoro kwa Nelson Gichana aiga no honka gusi
nate gitubwa teri kondori yao kerugo kwana na rio turako igubia
thank you mareta na ngoro kwa Nelson Gichana ncherumo gusi ko aiga gusi ya Beira County kitutu masaba constituency ase ward yo kurugamba bombo ward nkai kuru kunyambaria igo tuachira asenjo gosanga nga insi ya ito ya Kenya mono gusi na Kenya ngima kwa ujumla na ito kuru na nga ito moja karibu tusanga so wabo.
Thank you very much tutaragenda ase pastor ntubwate ekegoliga kabisa bali bamanye kayuna Gen Z for the first time nali nanyorena nchi opportunity kukuwa na ya mase television ne Gen Z tikanga totebingana kia kuruku
oirira bagusi bonsi samarieta ngoro ku Amos Dimon bonjari constituency yana ward
na kyo kwana no bwa baiga kwana ngo no bare mu ne Gen Z kabisa
bwa timu bwati nkanate wali bonjari yana ward currently student wade Gen Z kuna kwa kwandiri
student nga yoga soma ndi kyo gosomera
Embu University currently taking law
wakili okay the incoming wakili thank you very much mabulia mange ngoja turasore karibu sana pastor
buya mono anche koro kwa Ezekiel Sagana korandi na Seed of Abraham Deliverance Ministry ai gabosunga sakoro kugesa egesa kyogaro lakini Kanyamira na agokire ko bawo butuko.
Thank you very much na mwensi nkubakira buya soko nyora chinsa na gocha tukwanira mangana tutungete bunegesa kugose buno mugusi na boyiko bunaba Kenya asobwango monokuru wa sensemeri ya transmission tate ko request yoyo mento Mike onchi esere clip kia President William Ruto turara kerigereria kemaye kubwati kwa asobwango monone kiomo sikemo jumbe Koech timanye tinga nari tayari urumwenari
Watu wa Nairobi tumekubaliana na tumeelewana. Tunataka amani Kenya. Tunataka watu wafanye biashara. So mtu ambaye anaenda kuchoma biashara ya mtu mwingine, mtu ambaye anachukua moto anaenda kuchoma biashara ya mtu, anaenda kuchoma mali ya watu wengine, mtu kama huyo apigwe risasi miguu, aende hospitali, akienda kotini. Yes. Wasimuue, lakini wapige hii miguu ivunjike ndio aende kotini, aende hospitali, akienda kotini. Hapana, hatuwezi kukubali mtu ambaye anaamuka kwake anaenda.
Kuna na mimi nataka niseme na nishukuru Rais William Samoei Ruto. Wakati jana umesema shoot but do not kill. I want to repeat it here. In fact, shoot and kill. You cannot have someone coming after your life and you do not want to shoot and kill. You cannot have someone who is going to terrorize you and your family and you are telling me you cannot shoot and kill. You cannot have someone who is coming after your businesses armed and with weapons and you want to tell me that you cannot use shoot and kill. The Constitution, the Police Act has given the police the powers to use their arms where they have evaluated the risk of their lives.
Mike, tuenzi tualigire clip ikinande nkirikekenia sama taino na maisaino ntagete gochakira umheshimiwa mheshimiwa Melody no mwanasiasa oyo kwanire maega no mwanasiasa na no mujumbe oikaranste kuruwa sense meri ya Rift Valley President Dr. William Ruto na kwaneta manganae ekiagera obusalibu abaire too much era agateba onya abantu bakogendera gusalia bintu barasa amaguru bagenda nyagitari baguru nyagitari gochikotini mambi yaye omusike koechi agateba munene bwense na kwaneta lakini bonje na atebirega mu barasa amaguru ayo ko munene bwense agateba rasa ita ibirengere bya mbere bya no mugusiyo mu Kenya
mwanya getinge inche kere na rocha mangana ya nende na yarigiriri na amangana makongu nenda marito ekero korigiri nese tenjira ya chire ase twarigiriri mitinyiye koru emyake yitatu umusike William Ruto aberiga ko gamba twabeire neme gorogore menge totanya gutwara sobogambi bwense injege ndiyo kanare ngotebi umusike William Ruto no abantu bari bonse pinya sai aete batugambere gendo ngo bateina ki tigabayigwa abana baitwekiriro umaitekero korora nonye abantu bakorera gento ngero kibabetete bataranyora gakora kibagokoreru na batagete
yes
ono nche ngorora na asa mororane ngotebi umusike nabasike bonse bitwa baira ubugambi bono igabare baisaransete sebirogo mbaka bari nominated batakire barayarora inki kerenga kyabanda aba bakore bintebi umaito kubukeke mambi ochage gokore gento otabwatie gento gekochandeta somoyogo inche gento ngosaba abantu abasike bonsi pidino atari William Ruto bonsi pigo chakire president deputy toche bonsi pi aba MP no nya base ito no nya bari nominated takire toigu torigererie kirero kya bana bako minyoka chipara toisaransense buna abagambi na nya butogocha na nya bari bonika bari getiba tacha kopori toisaranse twensi pia mune na bagusito chamo aba 47 counties to chamo toisaranse tobora ni na kitoro chinki abana baito batageti ka toisaranse toma konyora na kitokonyore solution togocha gochinjiri abana babaito lakini tokogandira goteba na bono fire for fire
yes
ndoche na ense yete sero chibono iga ngo chitore gwetindika twensipi tari abana boka no matekera abantu bakogenda kokora chisegi tari ntutweka twensi tokumia kiro mondo ngoumyare sengenjo nonyo president ne bwate biashara byegote na ritukerio abaye mpimba bwate biashara byegote ne ritukerio ono tiga tochamo twensi pinonye bari bakobori chikura bataranya robogambi toisaranse tobora nina kitoko konya abana ababaito toigwa maroro abo tomagocha ne richibura kinyo tena ngo chore bono otumie bunduki asa abana bake batamaiti kende basinyukuru esimamu mwabe sengenjo batabwati chigasi omata abana bakorere sengenjo omwana okore school university omwana mamu mwabone dichombe isiko abebore betigire babwati nonye kende bono omwana nero okore school nware isiko emyaka 5 tanya konyora gasi bono mpaka nonye twabwekanire n'abangina bari bakokora ki bari bakoni chinye bono abana baito be university baikire bare nonye chisemi to kuri kini chiaki afatari no ika form 40 gere school gabu chibase choko chire university otumye gukora ki.
Thank you.
Endo kende gionse
Gen Z kuona kwenda maandamano lakini nko kuana ule kuru online ko are you protesting online karunge birengere bya iguru ya mangana ya gato iguru
kwanza kengima everyday kwa yoroki uhabu aronye iya Nelson kwa hiyo yachire kwa kwenda kwa ati shoot to kill autengwe nereti bati brain nonye ya utaote bati piga mguu naona abu kaweko sapati wasini nyase chiguns aibo abunto ukana bati bono twanyere ko batokora ari Nairobi ose kerase mondo na tabe guni na bado gocha wako
of course anto bakure batinde kiru abande bataringa makosa
abantu abaiga jenzi ngoto witu teri gunsi wako wano to wetas na next ko icha hote bati
shoot to kill
que sería teri ba kwa ko monto abu teri adia se ko ende biashara ande ba ese ya mneo tema onye musari boro cho kimara se atari bore ngwendo kutumia ebunduki yao but bone yao tema azeri osara biku kiona mtu anaenda kuiba ona yune abu ni no obunga una atari bore abono tewane taro kutumia karo but bona ande arabuna melody apani de government ya mante kwa kinili era nero charo jenzi mali kono sana pa mate te chikasi mate te wasomere chi certificate njire bagache te nyumba pati bono ga sinchio pone de mbura bomba so kana para boli ando investigative sa safety or right from high school otire mbake campus na ande omote ta konyora gasi pati ta kosa kwena paro yes
okay Wewe mindoki chana tutara mukunde kana gari usomo pasta kuna ngurenga ni
mbia mono asaliva ga monalia tiga nchaka litanga ni mbate mwana mtoraro sirete tayari korate ya ndo minto pole manyago gosiboke nkole sasa muke tukwana
okay
muswati mtoraro sirete ko Florence Nyamwara osinya byage Nyamwara acha ni wasa ko kuma bonyunyu
pole
manono
pole
lia charachani sub county asa ko kunga ke location eli tukulie chumba ya bayigo bali bane ailini no mochokoro Sydney ondieki na tebire pole nabantu bonse nabayi nabasani pole asengeje usira ko muswati obintu asa ati abasine kremero bali genderate byamona sana namba ya kabire mangana Ruto enchera kwa na galia kara kwa statement ye igarenga sakuru Kilimani police station ekara chete go cha ujenzi wa better police station in Kilimani Nairobi nadia kwanta maana hiyo ako kia bantu but ekoro kulile katiba the constitution of this Kenya 2010 constitution article 132 the functions and the duties of the president can also make a type here article 132 as a ko gotebia nga one of the functions of president no goteba nga abantu barasu that is not the function of a president. The function of a president is enumerated go trimbo including and not limited to connection to what peace the water unit the water ngochorale abantu ba colleagues in terms of the cabinet principal secretaries ambassadors and the rest of things every interviews we get and make sure there is unity as abantu ba Kenya. Then Nelson Koech is a member of parliament ku culture borogaiga otebirenga a president iga tebete bobenga barasuwa kogoro ero otebirenga shoot to kill. You know, most guys you got the shoot to kill. Kera ruete college. Na etu ndo runga auto variations.
Yes.
Okolie ira yo okole mirimo yo skari. Now one of the responsibilities of that oath I swear to protect life and property. Inga na ire yoko gitera na kwegerera obogima nenibo y'abantu ba Kenya. So ekeroko matebi arase, which constitution, which law are you using? A president is a learned guy, he is a doctor. Which constitution is he learning? Nere liago tumia koetani the constitution 2010 of this country. Responsibilities and duties of the president do not amount to even telling. No encourage you MP. Ekarago the president ninga tebia basigari barase. When koteba lichiko, you see the word of mouth. Lichiko is not word of mouth. So I think some of our people are very abuse the powers and privileges to the extent that they think that is just something. You can't do that. Life of a person is dignified. It must be taken care of seriously. And the responsibility of a soldier almost to the extent that jeopardize the freedom and security will take charge. Lakini bono muntu ko mwana na bacheni sibate birenga na twabarore toka ende pararia abantu bako gendari babwate ngoro ebintu bibere abwate keranga chu ebendera nechuba ya bacha one keranga chu ne ebendera is the same ine yanga enga buna bigete t-shirt. Then number 2 amache in case anything happens akorosa akolege ndoki anyu ono bantu gakunywa amachari bajaga kwesibya sene jejitia kasi. And you see, these guys have been motivated to do what they are doing by virtue of the presence of the security forces. Mbasagari mbata keiriko toka closer. Omaite ngabunora agenda sinjokejiri. Keroko enda sinjokejiri maite mwabange njokete bange tikora samonto na edo bange tikochichai. Lakini the presence ya sange yechi njokeyoka. Chinjokeja jakere go feeling something is not right. So at the end of the day they must start defending themselves. So aba cheli sekero basokere para bachagere kora the presence of the uniform ahead of them. Definitely ba kuchaka kutwara liberero mu birobo. Ba feel like abanda benjira baja na uniform ne chimeteganga ngo toitaba. So they start preparing themselves for defense. And at the end of the day you see the chaos that you see. So I want to tell the president to the face, Nana King, Mr. President, what you are doing in this country is not right by telling almost Gali Araso Monto the West. Life is dignified, life is sanctified, and nobody has a right by the constitution of this country.
Nelson Gichana, political analyst. Olira ya ebuna kwigure nere akweresa bomutatu kuribagiri gabuchianse umutumishi onyasaye onyete Pastor Sagana. Abange babagotebanga President William Ruto igasoete kanisa igasoete eburayi gwetera se support iki kanisa omurugiyoye impenda Mungu na indengo charo babeka amwa bakori imirimo huduma ye kanisa karunge birengere byawe iguru ya mangana
buya mono moralia asenge ncheli bageli na mbuya muna gwacha kira batebanga President ngwetere kanisa, which is very true. Lakini gento kirente etabateba bono iga umuika norogendrete gwita utarimoya umuiko imokire no etoroche serikali turoche amamocho ya serikali turoche amamocho ya president turoche amamocho ya banasiasa. I can say as a pastor na umuika nore ogendrete okoregasi urumobe no muikoyo no muika bugwitira amanyinga na uyamona soko ndetalera CTV egere na kwana Friday ekanisa na bwate kesha Friday na ngakwana na basaye sana abale jensi abale ngabanga actually kesha so ngakwana na barabu sana paka na arengere tikero kende mokaigwete kinga kwane to ekagera
no moikomia bondari moikoli mobe no moikomia.
So this is what I want to say and let me believe nga youth simbara segete bante gerete muna mojensiyo yitu kwaleta
na bange especially online.
Thank you. Ni maite bante gereta bange mono ege ntonkirenta itegoteba as a youth ntage turarigirira ubugima bwabo twatwarire abaraisi kurwenga kiya Kibaki na abere no inche kufuatilia ndamangana news ake ne bataimono kurwenga kiya Kibaki ntwana koboru ko bantu bogo complain twatwarira bantu a complain every now and then nando se kuligereria kero morai muna kurwa umwao gosoa the same cry yogo gutota tware meremo yabasai eshide yuero aliokarioka kurwa sengaki ya Uhuru no Ruto na kwanete kale deputy atebe ngaki ya na make sure ngabasai o create job opportunities.
Yes.
Lakini use kuligereria bado the same complaint ekolete error. This is what I can say.
Yes.
Omoikanoro wa makweli ole igoro mono. And as a church and as a pastor de Benson Tegerete is now a high time to imokerere igoro to saberense yaito omoiko ibogo itera manyi ngobeira omobe. Abasaya alis Montegerete ntaitoni we. Omoibuli kerako ibolete agakobeke skuru.
Yes.
Egenta atagete kurwa sole no korora matunda muibuli onde bwensi agandireti omwana oyamaya ono president yatebire abantu baraswa maguru abamura basaye baraswa maguru babebire ma can you imagine muibuli okurwanireire okorendire tonyore tishidende waimokire ono ko batu ya pressure no moikoge ndrete wasoigu naye asamangana ukuminyoka para yes goteba murenga gwetera pressure inereragere president ye change ye birengererio lakini integerere umuntu no ene tamu ya etarakura tarakura no entamu ntanga ni reto tenga baito umuntu obero mobe akikurumaiga kurara mikatole tinja aso gokora siasa lakini ndega igamba tebya basaye baito nga
yes
eligereria yo monyene think of your life, think of your life, think of the life of your parents. Imagining orakulero inki abaibuli bao barakwane. Imagine mumranaro yo wamuroyo yo kuro yo mugikoyo yo kwete
yo tindege tugoro
yo tindege tusinigo
Boniface Mwangi yes ochire liraba na seki nga egekobanga ne serikali ale kurwanira eyuone tamo kumereti komwe batore amatukonko erale nayo musaye nsawa ayegendera akini gentongo ko sorankeri naki amakweri naro koigweta masasia soire gwatorwa akiobwa ekioba na kikemenyete ira na maega kumeria abaibuli bao ekumeria ayo monyene tafadhali bantumbale umoralia abasaye bakweroka na barabu abasaye basoire maega yegenteke barabwe niya yabone yogosarie nibo obuna chiduka chia abantu nakoimukie bintu kurwaroro bona ababaito omubuli ngakia kogera ole para igentara abatebi one time Ruto must go one time Ruto must go lakini ebabekira abande bebisete mayaga yabo asogosarie nibo omuntu aligiri arule arusirie bigeri egento kirege go cha mayaga yaya amaragereria mabesana asaba sahe baito omuntu orerire okorire byasara ebi otembira sako nyara umuntu basaye bamagocha in the name of yogo protest umuntu bamana kubuneduka yo muntu bayire binte muntu bigeri umuntu arire oenda kolera n'abana baya marigari takogenda busa that's why ngotebo moikoyo no mobe umurari na kure ire chikanisa chonsi na barandi bonsi banyigwete ekine chingaki totenene tosabe neye nerengana baada yo gukora masabo nanyore tumurari igoro yamanganaya abantu bayandete gukwana bako etiuvuminga ngabone serikali se yakire yakure keregento gyasarekire ntegerere na asabire no moneno nkwanere omorembe ngochore na masabaito no morembobo no enaba bakubuli siasa muno mweshimiura utaito bo women rep na onde bwensi ole sikalia ensekere ya sarekire taliro likwanyore kirugeke ekera abantu bakwataliro litwanyore kirugeke tigatoke nyora senchira yo morembe and I'm praying so hard muna nyasaya nkwanerete omorembo prevaili na basaye baito bakonywe amakwiri ya tenene. Thank you very much Pastor Ezekiel Sagana as explanation ikuwa rurekia umwanchu murigereria gendera kulika chujumbe tayari naro richi nyinge chigo itekagocha karon kuri request ya sensemeri ya transmission yo minto tush ankonyene link nabo igo ndoche tiganda so much message ranke nara ero kontebinga erdara likalietaria kurinda kontebinga the law allows police to use force when necessary for includes firing live ammunition. The problem is not in shooting because police are trained to shoot. The problem is when to shoot and when not to shoot. Thank you, Mr. Political Analyst. Very explained, very well explained. you only missed to say Ruto ni one term. Ya kurukunga Jameson Chiri maobe kurubu machoke muramu. Murate video. Wiya mono sana. Chiujumbe chigendere bono goiteka chaga igato chirigereri asika getalie getambe nimbengo chibuati nekero togendete discussion ya. Mheshimiwa. Aye kuruwa soko ligereri kwao buno murai. Up to when pastor explained it buya sana amangana nga ye solution ni Raila Odinga igoro narero otebire ngata etutuare ekon nakia kunyuruka conclave ata etutuare chinkwana rero kuru America omusikejo Fredgadi Gachagua na Martha Karua ebate banga Raila ere ere na ende ntori gutwara time to go discuss what can be done egere sanitirane asense ito ya Kenya.
Nchengo te waiga ase seitu ya Kenya kuhira ni omorembe ni ndutweka abarai bari se birogo na bari tocha kubori ni ndutweka tolare to omorembe egende ke togo te na toisaransense muno musike Raila Odinga korobo gambi bwensipi obere togorira tachingwana tari konyora egento to tari kora tamatoke ya usa matunda wano iga na ndoreta chingwana ta konyara kwa basae gasi ta konyara ko chenjo obongo bwa mama mboga bari twatebetigu ta konyara go chenji nonya bono garsi omosike William Ruto achete kanisa oni gano nya abantu boka mbabwati matumaini baka tigante beika gotumye buku ya Nyasaye ko wini chingro chi abantu omonya ko kosuka maega negende kebesana bone ga kyagere nonye intu ndori kwamini gose religion nero wana twashakire wate religion is a scam egendo kyarenge kya Nyasaye esengencho etoroche naki onyo mundu gagose kanisa otumia twamwa na ende akego twacha kweguna ki shoot the lake Nyasaye na tebete nonye kera abantu bango kore bibe naki bake biranya atete naki enje na chite asabanya bibe bona igona enjengo sabaiga abantu bonsi pibaro bogambi tori gusioka ense yonsi pia Kenya eto bwate 47 counties igega 47 counties eto bwata abantu bare ense yo president enjengo basabaiga tuisaransense tuiranenka turi chiobisi tuisaransense toro nekitora konya abana baito esengenje boni gekero kuri chi milioni wandi gayo na oteba mambi basoke basoka chi milioni asengenje yake basomete babwata masakara babwati gasi no enje igabuna ndiga imbeti ntwale gasi rasimantoke intoke sengenje nje nitagete gasi moibori agasome oje tokoni chiombe tokoni oboremo wani ga enyomba to bwate ne ibo bonyasi egutu ngaine ndo tegete ngende nimbwate bisero ningendo bise nyetimbwati connection tinikonyora gasi nyetimbwati ango yano igete kuri kwe government ange gasi ta konga gasi onye to bwati omonto ino ko bwata okoboko nabo gokweranga bone to bwata abana ba kirachuti 10 years ago atarari ko bwarimu eke na renge joko house nanyo to musacha gete okorete school 15 years ago taranyora gasi ka kwanda obisieri kwanyora monte yoko mwatendi na kyote geto monto ya babe osarasi maso ke para arigire itiaye bona igonje ngo sabaiga ebyongozi byonsi bibone amwe saranste birogo esimore simontegerete na litigamba rigiri buye igamba tebiga cyo bise cyumwe saranste Nairobi mwe bisete irananga to isaransense tokonye abantu baito bagusi tokonye abantu baito ba kire county onye tori gochi kuisaransa ngorusi gotore chinyomba chito esenga chobone squeeze chete bamanyete nonya so korara ebamate na gitara kya nga kirikirete omotu nga kirikirete makromate ese igo bono igano ibisa aste ochi kwebisa ebamate rero ndagera kikwari na kikwarara abana bawo nga ibago soma nga yabantu baino bare bono igo nto chaka koreta abantu onye wale unaboni ngenche ngorunyari bari masaba ngwanda amenye mwamanduku Daniel Manduku mpaka 2027 ngoragira mwaye nabo kike mambinesi bya macha esinge njonguri ari kibasa che kwerende na akora nende omoguma na report bone kwisasa Doris Tonya Toto na ari ranch na akora nende senator yeto yosio ke ko kwerende bo macho bora bo nominated na akora go nende bo nyonga na akora naenda bo MC yose itobono gaiga kuruga abu mpaka 2027 esto oja konyora omonto gotobwata okoboko atoirekana
okay goraragiro le machiriro le ngira gwe bangire efe okuruka yukuru sio chira sayo nsilende tali mangana on a lighter note Gen Z Kimori ono mochoko no ruliora sichi Gen Z jiga moko tebanga bare leaderless, tribeless, kiregento less. Mochoko no rulio bone kiagere kero bantu moko kolegento mutabwati omochoko. Trust me, na moko tuara igento kire valid moko champion. But mubuati oyo kubara. Engo kuboli ge kiagero ndayonda boli asaba igaba onspion ndayore Gen Z. Nonya ninje na iteire gabo. Kwani rango igurenga ni.
Erizo invono doko ira vabe tobe leaderless. Edos ponyono ro example kia tote vera ila. Tote ono nyaki tole tuwate leader na vego totumia. Eke ngakete usewanyo ore dialogue na national government. Personal interest cha ichive guaranteed. Ono mtutole hisko vaiga na wocha tonga inati kanya mpaka 2027 oseri robito mbiwe kane. So kuruga ubono erome toko ngende ya igoti. Ndwali abaite ngwenda para to itwa bakora gento gete to chono ntura benefit insurance.
Yes.
Erono ga go poni in that sense onyore again is some when there are grand to over maybe leaderless.
Okay. Yes sana. Gichana.
Yeah.
Ndio kuboli diswali manya tenga na bokoli handle bia sana. Igoro ye conclave Raila Amolo Odinga agoteba kurangiri. Na inde bunanku manyeta kwa beire support ya Raila Amolo Odinga na inde without fear of contradiction ni maitenga no ligete no nekiro ko Nairobi. Anda kwa lengo muraya sekiameke. Aba Kenya bona iga mbabugate imani na mangana a Raila Amolo Odinga.
Biamono se libagelio. Tigambe ke samangana very in context ara iwekana vyake. Number one, Njebuna Nelson Gichana na beire no mwaka Raila for a long time. More than 15 years. Na mo supportly. Na tere nire koliye kero kyo bo MCA in Nairobi County.
Yes.
Ruaraka constituency. Mathare North Ward. And I was not successful with the ticket ya ODM because bato nyanyasete abantu bagwa minto bako mata. They didn't want anybody else to tell you monto mata annual ticket. That's number one. Number two, 2017 ekero tu akorde chukura tu expected nga Raila na ero kugamba in 2017 after 2013. There was chukura jikaterine njelagete. Kalochata inanjelagete problem kabamba tangasete. Finally batangasa Uhuru Kenyatta win. And there was some tension in Nairobi. And part of the tension in Nairobi, in where I was in Mathare North, Ruaraka constituency. And baribari barenga kuinyura 2017 what happened abana babere barase tu barenga bakabarenga nyumba including umwana urenga Nairobi kurunga Stefan Mora. Stefan Mora Garasetu was my neighbor in 2017. Now in the community I was able to speak up what and defend the rights bakanchora kobe spokesperson yo mwana oli paka toka moyenya sobo isecha moina. Laila when he came to Nairobi aso mwana oli akwete akina Kalonzo Musyoka akina Martha Karua, it's me na alikuwa welcome na ninje na alikuwa on behalf of them.
Yes.
Ngakora kiregento. And this guy Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga otemire kurwanira abantu lakini oikire I think iga ikasa akorosa. Ikasa akorosa mno muntu ndi wenzera ni mundo atebe ngasiya ike nakore ndoki. Ora tiganyiro ngori atigale tayosi ngenderani. And I think that is what is happening with Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga. Orosire to the extent bono gata tukungaina abantu is helping the young people but in reality is ditching them. To honte binga nota getako konya abana. Let me give an example. Say abantu bana chifamily n'abantu bari nyuma batatagara tubara marako.
Yes.
Umuyiburi no haro musaja no mukungu n'abana. Alafu umusaja isikakorwa. Ochiro ndorire mukungu wayengo itara abana nyuma. Aso nyumba nganko bakonya ari nchuko muri abana abo anya imukike boko rera chaye kubaita. That is exactly what Raila has done. Onyori abasaye ba Kenya bachandegete from the time of Kibaki na konyeta sana he brought in boda to what saiga and he made sure several industries came up.
Yes.
Uhuru tried to continue the same legacy but somehow na somo mtandao juzi na during the lane ya Ruto from 2022 to date,
yes,
almost 20 companies basiekire birago barura out of this country. Meaning the people who are the workforce wale go koro bali the young people, they are now jobless. Ono jahiro uyiro mu akorio so anyumba onyora ngino goita abana baye uburi cyo witira abana nero jakora yendoki nero jakobaita no mwakoraiga ingala ira bono nero so ire bona serikali ime ono korora basaye barenge iska abacandegete nero so ire ime libagara ko neima barwanirire nero jagere ko beke bokurumi ere libaga tebya abantu ago tebya serikali no, you cannot kill these young people. This is the future of the country. How can you kill the young people? Because tomorrow karota iyo ndubwate ndugiko nga mortality rate nelinga umuntu nature gago tabanga umuntu takira kwe no muntu omonene omokakole ndoki atigale so ekero itabanta babaka so tomorrow ekero monena okumugotira. So it's not possible and it's not good ekero umuntu ago so ase achaga de abantu nga is helping the young people and in here it is not helping. So what I want to say is this: Raila okorere gasi yae okot. And I think even those of us who are supported for so many years now, enough the president whatever enough is enough. We cannot continue supporting him. Na nileti mlesta show adinga ki asetu ika injino yo mo na bali bande balenge mayaga yaito tuaisie punda imefanya nini imechoka. Wana tuabekire virago bitoise, we are not going to do that. You try to request like this: the government cannot continue doing things the way they want to do things. They have to ensure as much as what they talk into, they must do these things within the lanes of the constitution. What does the constitution say? As much as you try to go toward the powers that you have based on the powers you have. Constitution to Kenya 2010. You got to have in the constitution Article 1. You got to have a sovereign power rests with who? With the people. Chinguru no bobwi no bonene boborai bwenseye bwensbi boboraso muntu no muntu you can directly either exercise the powers or donate those powers to the elected people. Ona kero tu abaira banda abaidoli bagabuna baba koeche ababa tabanga shoot to kill, assuming never sigisi barenge bara ngata barenge shoot to kill. Now number 2, ndai to kota benge ndukete kesini ekero raira talenge in the government iko bara kota banga bagare bato sumbuete sana bato sumbuete mbata itikorolekana but bono raira kera so the government bono moigo yabairo mobi. My question is this: does it mean when you mogerare in the government that is peace? When you moigo in the government there is a problem in this country? Peace means every tribe must be involved. There must be that inclusivity. There must be that uniformity, equality. All these things then the country cannot be able to go to the right direction. So now the serikali yetu ngaki mtundu wa problem na serikali. Na ande serikali in fact in any case una madam Mero Diateba na pastor buna araiga eya chiete kanisa mono sana. Wakatoka ranga kumbe Kenya na nda bandeka barabara ibaka ende kanisa nzego chuko bengi engia. But the reality of the Bible Bible ya bateba ngakaro go choro murayo mobi abantu bakulira. So ngakaro chebirere bibira. Because the means there is a problem somewhere that has not been solved. And we have to ensure that this is where the people go wrong. Because once you don't do the right thing, trust me, it will come up tomorrow. Let me tell you, so you must ensure that the problem here, the Genesis of our complaint, they are not fighting. In fact, if anything, we have started with these things, we have started with the people. How many? You will not get them. Leaders of Gen Z, this guy is the Jalu guy. He was taken a Kaiwe party position, and he has been given something by the government to do that. That guy, that lady from I don't know Haniva or somebody else, she was taken. So these people, they are leaders, picked. Then these young people, they remain there. They have certificates, they have land. There is nothing they can do. This country, above 60 years on the Wednesday, 60 years, go home. You are disturbing us. So these people, I'm telling you, the only way we can solve this problem in this country. Anybody who closes 60 years, president. Anything else beyond that, let them go home.
Hold up. As just 1 second.
inche gento ngoteba abantu mbaro barobisi bagotire tochake muna Francis Atwoli oino muntu oberire obisi emyaka emingi ndio musayo oyo moko graduate tyacha konyore gasi onye abantu bari bakire engaki okoritana bakonya ko bari cycled nje sinde se inche bone kinche nje ngoteba komo ndaikire emyaka yayo koritaya agendeka chibasa chiri baro siri bayecheka bayikore chi industry bayikore chi company bari ka abana baito ese baro siri chibasa chaba isanire besa chiri bayane nende bono ba investika chibasa chiende recommenda
otete konde biwete bo be igoro Charles Nyachaina to Kenya School of Government as the chairperson.
Yeah, oyuata kire kwa omwana omoke ogokina boni gore vibrant.
Honorable Marcus Rakamba, aspiring MCA Boch Tendere Ward, Machoke Church. Let's stand together as a country for justice and accountability. Everyone has a right to protest for his or her rights. People who wrote the Constitution were not mad. Police brutality in Kenya is a serious issue that affects many lives. We need to raise our voices and demand change. Let's work towards creating a society where everyone is treated with dignity and respect, regardless of the background or circumstances. We owe it to ourselves, our communities and future generation to fight for a better future. As a Gen Z, we will fight until our grievances are heard by the government. We must respect the Constitution. Okay. Ya kare ko kumako si oli kirege songe kenuke sana. Nje na temere kwa kesoma ndara kibuna. Bono nara ogotebanga mtumishi wa Mungu amesema vizuri sana. Hizo ni roho ziko nyuma ya hawa Gen Z, inafaa watu waombe sana hizo roho zishindwe kwa jina la Yesu. Political analyst Gichana Nelson nabo bande wa kwandira mangana maya. Murali koranche mweri bagatotebie nampongeza sana tena ko Audible Bravo watching from Kisii Town oyunke sara yagontebia kuruku. Okay, kila mtu anapata nafasi, asante sana. Mimi naunga mkono what he is saying is very true. We need to pray hard for our country for peace to prevail. Amorini yabuke kurubutoria kare ko teba mangana omo pastor Akwana. Catechist maka yako kurwenya cheki, maandamano sio solution ya uongozi. Wale wanapiga kelele kwa Ruto wanamfungua akili. Zile nyumba zingine wako wengi. Omugusini gata bete chimera koboko komosi ayo maiteke kusie kitikiti chimera komoko kobosi tokora maandamano goji kanisa kutoka Ruto kwa kiti ni ndoto. Oyo nabago teba hiyo.
I think I need to react on that.
Ndagete kwa pastor Rivaga ndagete kumunyanyasa
Taramu
akoire chi second
ngwarero yo kwande I think abantu mbare bakinire Kenya.
Yes,
I'm sorry to say, lakini abantu mbare bakinire Kenya batamaite astwarule.
Yes.
Ase miaka yane.
Yes,
I can surely say ngakujagara 90s.
Yes,
I have been in politics. Karona Kolte School. I have worked I've been in politics for long. Na inde, whether from university, whether from Isika to Akolira maandamano. Na maandamano na aragarire binde binge bya change in this country. Because let me tell you, the government does not have a language that it can hear. A language just serikali iko iwa na maandamano. Ekera maandamano abeira, I'm telling you the language, that is the language just serikali iko boka mambi yata bana we can sit down to discuss tokore ngentogete. And that is the reason why Raila Odinga abeire epo was so maandamano more time in 2002 2001 Raila akasoa ase moi through Kobe Secretary General ya KANU ase nja maandamano batebire we cannot work onye ntoliko moi ta gutwara peace moi akasoa ira gari. After that we have been having maandamano Kibaki already critical report egateba nonye Samuel Kivita mati mundo ile chikura in 2007 maandamano akagera Raila akasoa serikali ya nusu mkate 2013 tukakora siasa tukaka. Let me tell you that gentleman Musa uyu mintomo kusiko ni Simba kusema usene yate aba ndaita ko modenga Kenya a language ya serikali iko iwa na maandamano. Na ine I want to repeat it, ekara maandamano abeire Kenya lakini maandamano are very peaceful. Yes, solution yo mochando yo Kenya ugotoka. Ngotiri wataima bamando basaba ane ndo baganda kanisa na otogocha but ntori ko bando mbali okora maandamano yo wito mundu. Bakora maandamano yo go voice their problems, their grievances so that the government can listen but develop a policy, a guideline guide these problems chive solved.
Thank you very much Bwana Nelson Gichana. Pastor.
Yes.
Ukuli kororanga ukuli ebine birangara byane. lakini rende ndo chinga ko ntora beat in synchronize na melody aba Kenya bari gusiri imani ne kanisa aba Kenya bange tutigeke gorieke kento babekirira mono aba Kenya bari gusiri imani ne kanisa nurigereria bwango igange chiwiki bere umu president na tebanko agachari kanisa ime State House abange ba criticize sana from the religious point of view. Iko mugotora abo be ose bo mukuri interest cheno n'ubuna abantu be kanisa ikiagara President William Nanchita abantu be kanisa kubarangiriare mwe karanza mwakwana na ndiko nturiko babekirira muraba be ningeko gara abantu bakari ko lose imani na inwe na ndi nonye ngati ya ino mbarororo aba pastor na abasasiroti na bonsi bari members of the clergy mugo pingana inumwe kabanyene. What is not happening?
Umaradia boliri yamano. I think that's why traiga.
Deke makagendrete kugo fixeriga bon so me message raiga. Raila should retire from politics as early as yesterday because he has made it clear by employing his family. Okay, no nchiri na ina bakari kuirorira. I'm Douglas Mukaya Kuru Mugonchoro. Thank you, Pastor, for good and final advice. Okay, please worry pono nakuburi Pastor. Na ira second chao ato fixeri camera yao.
Sawa. Nala wata wa kurire buya nakia ko eranda. Egentonda tebeneke umuraria. Ruto nigaire to borai ego etere kanisa na bange bagoteba. Na abantu mbanje iroche kanisa because kugada turabanta bange se kanisa muntu nabagocha agwibirengere byaye tubwate right yo gwakachikura ne baturaba basta turaba shirika right nero yakira umuntu gwake kura na still bado na igo tubwate right yo go vote na need to as pastors tubwate right yo kuchoranga yota etekobera na nanga yota taityokoraki utaikoba so nto mochie kanisa osento rusio kwegena kurua sabarandi okoba yaba keigo maybe babalese ese Ruto yo injo manyene personally narenge ase Ruto no enetakeka yo narenga sumuga ko gorgoraila narenge maiga yae elekere Ruta koira adona irante kanisa my church members mba maitenga na asira ira na koleteki para ekere ya ikakoba yo na irante kanisa ngate members ekikia beire bono kia beire Ruto iriro borai ne roro morai ono tigato musike tomo chingaki akore gasi omorari kia ko arangendete kukurira basaya babaito esababu ne yenene no nyamuna umumuro wendo yane gichana te biraiga nyenchira yoka eluga yoke serikali ekoigwa na maandamano now tete tuira negete kubekeke koroteke ashumunga no mwano ole para twate tugabantu abo masaya mbakwa maandamano aya maya ashumunga no mwano wasoire para okure na pengine no mwano obweka osemereti momoima bakurukike gusi the only son obwate osoire para umanyira konyora samanganaya ne serikali yale kurwanira lakini okule now as a parent na kyoko igwe ngane abasaya babuka nani umoralia abasaya baba na buba etana ne tenginyo letende busonge town negatia ekere utago tanga sumo buire abasaya bana ubale kuminyoka nechi pigipigi bakomba eta chigari timedi use bakomba eretwe use neki bagatera obalotera asola atawale oirire orire ki bago kemerero chipara bagakora mangana mange nto inyorayo lakini nakinare gosaba onyendiri tuale koira namo turwase egemwe yokola umiana maybe pastor gete gose kanisa tualusi open na jirocho ekene kero kinkelina ki onye kuegene te nyasaye naro onye nyasaye oro na bwata abantu bakomo represent those are pastors so interest ya kirumo basta ya politiko ya munara chole gose munata gete tegera to tebenga bono tu ansire kulusi bole mun nes kanisa tubwata barandi pateneine bale tayari gusabira nse yaitu etwaro murembe eto kurandiga every time no endero kinde kanisa enare kurandiria abantu batwaro gosemeria batware ogosemeria kwa mambia nga mambia teko bamuna yare ngeigoro njira te turatwaro gosemeria onya abantu bagukwa ngige kugera bakwa sopa kachipara nga ne serikali bakurwanira guse bakurwanira abantu gete na singe njige ndikuru ko gosemeria kiaburire most of them is kuligere na abantu batete kuluso na basaya babaluso diori mambi ntonye bwati atuna kesho. How do I pray nga tocha somorembe toligie nchire yebwetera samasabo toligio morembe gwetera samasabo nande umurayo yore subogambi na sabango nyano kunyarikana aeguri baga chinga kinchiro chiogo vote tua onye mwa notisiri tali muya ose tua notisiri eserikali ya soira sabe okoba yaye ntobwate period ya gukura toira negati we vote on the bwensi wono toroche orakole. Again, this is what I see. Asima abantu bamuira nere Nyasaye because muna tokoro kurwa sumurai muna nako balera kurunga kiya Kibaki bocha Uhuru pale na Ruto yeso burai bocha bona se Ruto eto gendete kuru bobe ochibobe mono igonki ke mwende gokorwa oyo no moika ke togendrete gogo saliense especially kusiga tu akatuarira maandamano kurunga kichia boraira maandamano takabeira manene muna bona tete kororekana gusie ne yaito osonge ne yaito abantu batumigire chibesa kwa gache binta gakiti gatosike bintu byaito tigatosike town ya iterorekana ekieni nande tutu aroko semeringa mambite ko bamuna rero togendere gusaba tugani omorembe na rino ene serikali ye motagete rubura igasi ye motagete se serikali ye rendebo ono turasamba kiregentu na irende mugocha kuchi. So tuombe sana na nina ongelesha vijana kubakulera gaki chenchi birengereri bibi tagwancho muikuyo mu basoe tago tumekwa okoba yomo gokobwa abantu bande tago tumekwa okoba abantu gite batagete go benefit bunaboto kurwani oyo ngorwaro tamu yae na mutamurusia bono iga etamu yae nkoherere aise ko bangururoro toso yonye noyo ito matiangi asororo gaki ngakire nago sobanyo lense serikali esarigete mwaroche Ruto kolera ago soere serikali agateba igete imakanyora besanji koletiki besanjio usekirege ntogia sarigwe bono liorio turasari economy munenji litukeri ligotene napi ngana maandamano ko collective revenue chikirege ntogia tenena in economy en secondary ko usarika. How do I pray muna togende to sabo morembo? Let us give this man, our president, time. Akure tamu yae una mogatera one time urende mo nande mo ndende mo gwate chikura abatua te baba sa baba boto tere igo kakiara ile uchukese chikura kura chikura tiki nji ono bwata bona chikura mono mwarorire nganto ganeti tonyoro murai uratuire lakini omonto bwe kurato omurai urakonyense Nyasaye. Let us all turn to God. Let us pray toe gwabarai barabaya ensi iteba somorembe. Thank you.
Ekero tubwate discussion yenganso butambe gichana buno maite chinse chiko iruruka bago kumenganga ichigo chi chiko ikachinsa inya na mangana mayia kuruma torora SDA Church Benjamin Omoyo Nyang'ono gakigoteba igumura irutombwe akwanete akino onye bukwego teba ugoitanuko egoteba ngogoitanuko be kina Raila otuori bagotire tigaba Raila atuoli I think community bagotire tigaba basae obosemi. Let me tell you my friends, when the day for the monkey to die has come, all trees become slippery. Sure. The moment Ruto opens his mouth, 20k votes are lost daily from him. The rest, you can feel the blank spaces from Honorable Moses Tongi, Kuruchinsa Muchiria, Chia Keumbu. Oya address Pastor Sagana. Look, the book of Isaiah 3:4, you just read there. This is the time of the end. Pastor Mangana aikire ange sabamono na wandoche. Chimessage yasensemo ya YouTube na chiroche chikare chinyinge. Watching live here, Oyon Sophia, you hear my question to the panelists. Sophia akarikoboliga. Honorable Melody, what policies do you look forward to implement and promote economic empowerment and job creation as an aspiring women leader? Okay, tigandio robiga. mirobirikie gakwarigereri kwa rodrenga na bora ikirani akerura chikoba umurai especially una bono igaba Kenya baroseta jinse mu Jones
umurai mbiamana inchege ndongo teba umete buna seito gusi toseniri sana egero gotara gusi ngima mostly Kisii county etosimeketa matoke tokaja tokate guchafu kadonjiro je chire chiko kwa ash avocado tosimeke lakini egero korige ndobwate industry ende yonsi pigusiga iga ego process chi avocado yarosikende ndobwate aste tokoire industry gose to import chi avocado chire singika to atete una ki asimeka toba echiro ne rina ki otakeire torosi osianingia ne chise chisiko nyare ku import chi avocado chito to inwe abangina bari barenga esengejo chi avocado kiromo chiro bwata avocado amapere to gosimeka amange juice ne cross ku ya mapera delemea nero ya mapera ndobwate industry gusiga iga ekorosi nonye yogurt ya mapera okogenda Brookside ngorosi bare yogurt ya mapera gusiga ndobwate industry onde naro murai naro nyakorengereri ache isaranse satenje narita na nyore chibase chitigambe kino industry ekonya basaye bache iga tutumie amapera dokwana migondo okwana nonye kwanyora amapera tigetense yani amapera aitigetense mugondo ayuna tutakire tutumie the natural things that we are having in our homes. We need
I think Mheshimiwa Melody, what we are going to do to chinga kitu icheba ntokuwa ni remeroberi yao na rodere snippet yemeroberi ubwathemia ndo chenga tonge ukwanira buchinse chikwera already chiatoereira. I stand with the servant of God. Kenya kitu tunahitaji ni maombi kwa wingi. Uyotarate balietariae tarante bilietariae mtagete kuba yichinsa kuruchida ikange ibere gose isatu askero yomo tagete nchakire jenzi mayagali my brother Kimori. I know students yalo all the way paka Embu oruwete gusibo nchari all the way paka gachikosomera Embu noro chibunensere kwaigura mangana pasta akwanire kwaigura gichana buna akwana kwaigura na mosukati Melody buna akwanire aye ndagete kwasi mungane leader abantu mbaliri sabwali asokuru oseri anaga ali bakoligere barango mwana nyarebe nere ekero okoligere chi Gen Z chiga chitaranyore opportunity yokonyora masomo tari bonsi bansomete because Gen Z ne age bracket gete obo se miora ruguchiase ekegolieke bono iga both the learned na bali bataranyore opportunity yiyo mboro byo kiagero manyete bali bataranyore opportunity yo gusoma akara bakanyora kare kende bintu bigo saligu barabunda isi ko swago chioteli yo muntu bali endagera in the process barukiru chiguna we together in the process barukiru chiguna mbose mikiyobora rwaya uno musaya kwanyore opportunity yo kanyora masomo especially muakili
enjoy the visual na ikoba kiona ba tebo bora ino obe mete mo ba obe gete nande bago ya ko borusiara according to constitution perigo te ba ti to buena para na yo ga ibora algo ande que more para mo buen terende kore issues cheino ntireji wa mo bana para mo ancha ko te ba one time o se mo te ba issue gete but ono bona bange to ase in the sense to gocha abanta ba igane gas batabuati ingene mo tatu me chance irende mo te ba ti mo ta ete gas do chen ti agena mo gocha mo cha ko rati gose ati to ire example ke ba gocha ba cha ka ti gose ba issue ba gocha ba no chi ko relate ne kwende ana employment gose empowerment gose job creation bueno ali egento para chance para take gonye bagutagabanya chigasi e chance para 2027 irolio ande onye mba kwe banga iroli na ande mbende na bagonya kura mpaka 2032 na no mete in order baise chief yao chibe race chibe hadi buya nguru nsega kwento cha kirobo gambi tira tikoro kalio kawante mete onye ndi many MPs sai mbali ko perform mbora but one home bali ko barera abantu bakorera ne president yoka
aya mbaba visit timbaba tali de chinka tia wenga kiri after finance bill baba tali ono baba tali
omete mbali ko perform kuno mate watu tali ko perform nonya mpiere elia ya korumwa go gali tali ko perform bado nero bwante gochakira omotang'ani korera gose eboti yago nero bwante gochaka goteba eboti yane tari gochikori gose tote komeki change ase voti yetu amegati 2022 iga buno iro rituranya komeki change but bano kugotage turuto biye kaigurari nsege bari ndongo sari kabire kera tire biye gokora gasi Kenya yoga eyengima ero faro
tigan clarify ibintu bibere chenisi akwanire I think it como kosia sengenjaro moke mbona ukina ibintu nebingatamanye so but then is coming up you know na jamanye ibintu biwanga bigasama tukabwanga I want to tell my agency and the rest of the people bari batarabuga de ibintu bina nera kwana that governments have changed through revolutions, and if people don't take this revolution seriously, President Uhuru Kenyatta, I think that was 2021. One of the clips, former President Uhuru Kenyatta, retired President Uhuru Kenyatta, one of the challenges to in this country is our young people. And if we don't take our young people seriously, this is a time bomb that its outcome will be very disastrous. Very clearly, our young people to work as a country, they are a serious time bomb. The revolution, nobody is going to stop it. On the table. I also want to pastor and then auto check and secretary to go to the guns. Saturday. Go and the guns. Some of the people about to make us so very honest. Some of the people we call pastors are so they are not honest. Yes. Because let me tell you, if we are having any to what about the very honest, Bakanya Sama, you took to every man and to a village and to according the right thing to whatever, we will not be having these challenges. Pastor David and the Catholic cancer to Savina Sato, 1 year to Robo, no Caro, Moveka, and Cancer. Is he a bad person? It's the same charge that gave us this, the president. Is the one who was saying Naira to take it. So when I hear Cancer judge wrong, it means the people that we have in the leadership of the judges are not honest. That is why we have the challenges in this country. So let us face the truth. I want to say this as we close it. Let's go like this. Kenya is a very good country. Nandi Kenya ne ito twensi unatora. Tobo abake, tobo igatua, tobo abatua kotire. Kenya ne yakaro. But I want to say, abantu bali bayikire kwa nyorali bagali okobaso burai. Don't assume you are there from when you were born. Don't also assume nane no chobo wakaro jawokwa. Time is coming when you shall live. Chinga kinjiro choko sobo gambi, chinga kinjiro chukuru. Ekere wa toire kere okyo ko sobo rai. Use that time to assist the needy. Tumia chinga kicho okonya bali batenyarete. Tari chinga kyo tumia konyanyasa bali bakora dentiki batabwati. So our leaders, people are watching you. Your time is coming.
Thank you very much. Ain't a threat?
No, it's not a threat. I'm sorry to say this. Don't misquote me. It's not a threat. Okay. I'm only saying that time is coming, everybody is watching you. They are underperforming. They are not performing. So time is coming for them to go home.
And people are?
And people are watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sante Pastor.
Yamono moralia. Again, Tonda Teve. And the Konyana. Ambire kweba mubungo yo kwanete nga president mbobe ya kwanete nga ngatebe tabantu baraswe onyo ibolete achialengeri ngane yusana aenda lengeri ngane yusana because na benga ne goncho keira ne muhae
onyo ibolete
we are not ready abasai baito kuhitwa na gokwa. And we are not here asokora umiana. Already a mess yabeire. The only thing we need to do is to look for a solution.
Okay.
Abana siasa abo morality ganko beke buyaiga. Ekero baeteli baga gukwana bataraji kwa ego borai enjera bago kwana nenganzu sana. Onya Ruto yo manyene gako boreri borai kware koigu achete nerie talia asola. okoba maeta basaya bange no bale chiasola na kawini essentially yo gutumekerieta chiasola akabeko munwe sukari agakwana manga na mange na agaika gosoa no anyembono I can say nga is out of pressure ilia etu ko igwe to kolero gatebanga ki kuruenga ki ya Kibaki umuchando bwa basai kuli kuno lengoro ngaki ya uru boyo kige kogera sende no entara ya good time bado mwansire kwa pressure na nini. This is what I pray. We still have time. Etamu kwa erere na hande tonyore libaga lioko vote nyanchere nkuotia marikara era abe obesana kore ntakusomete maliko igetabu kia mambo ya Nyakati 7 uchakire 14 marika goteba iga ikiwa watu wangu walioitwa kwa jina langu watajinyenyekesha na kuomba na kutafuta uso na kuziacha njia zao mbaya, basi nitasikia toka mbinguni na kuwasamehe dhambi yao na kuiponya nchi yao.
Mambo ya Nyakati
7:14.
Okay.
Ikigekora na kuotia marikaya aya na mangana Nyasaye agukwanira Suleimani baada ya Suleimani gukura kwagacha ekanisa gochinse nagendete gotebi Suleimani nga kurubono na kugenderera ase nyombe ye kwagachire onde bwensi orache asaya amaisane na abasare na masabando nspiara asabwa ase nyombe inche Nyasaye matane na ategerere ese kanisa esuluisha seraru nebokola umiana kwa bere saba babarandi gosabarai gosase kanisa esuluisha seraru na ase kanisa na samaru.
Okay.
Kubeka marunse tosabe toligie nchera netoka no murayo yoro torasaba ngige ko era kero murayo goso ikena ki turatanga na wote kero murayo goso chila wa mechiro ntokura ikaranza torarigerende bono totarachi koleto yonde tuanchire omuya ugochigocha toramanya rende kige kuri ense yaito. Let us come together. Let us pray muna gichana tebire nguchiare kanisa talichinga kichoko tebanga muraigete na gotebiri kero murandi na bwateri baga na bwate right yogo teba sata getego koraki koba. So na bera nyoro yukagerete wakagereta sabe guso yo moeteti akabo murai pengine ne interest ya yarenga soyo. So tigatoire chinga kichingia toligere libaga toe kanisa libaga to sabe it's only through the church omonene araigwa amasabaito andairaneri.
Thank you very much Pastor Ezekiel Sagana. Mheshimiwa Melody chinsa chiatoiro mugongo tiganko edageke muna egere okwandira abantu bakisi county.
Ambia muno inche amangana ngoteba na atatu gende getangani anyabarai mna President Ruto mna Kibaki atwete free education toyane free education, return to us free education. Mr. President, I talk freely like a mother. I'm seeing the struggles that our mothers are going through raising school fees. I see the struggle that our parents are going through raising money to take us to university. We always see people being added in WhatsApp groups so that they can get money, so that they can take their students into the university. We have even all the students who passed their exam, but they are not able to raise money to be taken to the university because of the model that was being raised. So please, I urge our leader, our president, please return the model that was being used in the past so that every person, we can have 100 transition of all the people. And also our polytechnics. Our polytechnics. Yeah, let me use this because I want to send it to all and then I go. I told our polytechnics, make our polytechnics to have a good debate so that everybody can be able to be accommodated. The second thing about healthy, you know, our health is our wealthy. Please, Mr. President, make the working of this she and shoe so that we can have something that is very workable and very affordable to everybody. We cannot be changing system. Don't change a system what you are supposed to do is to see what is wrong with NHIF so that you can make it right. So I urge Aden Duale today, whenever you're watching me today, I want to send you this. Please, don't tell Kenyans about SHA, she and Shiv. Come with a model that is accommodating all the people, even the children, so that we can have good health to everybody. We cannot be, I can see some people in politics, when they are sick, they go to abroad. What do you want me, who is a poor person, even I don't have a house to sleep, I'm sleeping on the street. Where will I get money so that I can pay to go abroad? So make our health system work, make our hospitals have all the facility that is being needed. Most city antebe Simbarati ngokorande ko kogenda Kisi Rivaro ka kyomurayone ngogo sabaiga na yosera state kirugo Mama County Donya I know moto tenire tabangina abangine bakorera chinyomba no meta mangana aria ito ka kingo basaba ekerenya gitari beke ibintu biri byabangina kirase ibintu biri byabaiseke sichi sukuru abana baita abaiseke nari baranyare ko gosoma mbago tige sukuru ekera mangana rita gwika aki na gosoroire.
Okay ndenginga amangana ro ntobwate ni chinsa tutobwate ndinta tukurari bageri ga with a lot of humility ko bakira ngambia muna soko nyora chinsa na gocha agency na usigerera tomanga maiga gocha agency bere so toiga chikorigiro
si amaiga abagutumira no batayo batinataka ngekwende nga advice y'abantu bagusiake
na koire just 30 seconds
yata kuira bagege otanto bagusi ya tawre chibela aspirants ba around the constituencies 9 constituencies bato ye
abasacha
abasacha bato ye yaro kene kyo bakora batoto temakuri ichi constituencies chigachinde chaisiko tokwenda buna gitunguri rendo amushomba akora agali tokwenda sebuna bahati renda irini njoki akora are uyapi ona ari watei era uliye 2027 abangira batemira osoka sobonge kobole biro gatika byoko chumbe tubata bo basi biro lyango sokari alibonjali tubata umuntu ko purity kirera toire chance ga around toro semba change kera tokuri una mushima purity kirera ko alibonjali arona bate vision yengia vision ara setiri erongo sagwere mostly as the agency
ni director of Bomas of Kenya
purity murakire as the agency ni do jengo benefit yeraro to chakera nkokwande rigore empowerment nkokwande rigore job creation
yes
na employment igodoro chinche ni deketari igoro chengwa nkwande device
I have no women rep
ntebune je
yagara asana abakungu nyweto kwegera
bono kagingo tera abakungu mbabwate tama ayikwende mbabwate vision ingia konda kwate this time let's consider women kusemba tokonye.
Thank you very much my panelists nyasaba sisi naende next time nko barangiri kindly moche biamono sana sense moye TV umurigereria asogo sangana ntu bari mwese mwarikire cyujumba cyinsa cyangire ambassador matoke ko ruchinse mo kire cyabokera ninkoroche melody tikagambo inaiza karaoke mathematics for life na bakweruka sense ya YouTube Vera Samantha na mwensi pi cyujumbe cyino ni kinyinge kiandagiye 10 ankyo kandi biamono soko wananchi sense moye karo Jumapili poka Jumapili endena ntumerane kama kawa kama dawa kurokwa authentic Dennis Ouru asense media ya transmission to Mike amo na tush to skatambe chinsa nyegoro ikiunga chinsa nyegoro.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bari chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire gose bariensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iyonyore obukureri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans, na boigochi advance loans. Boigon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments. Kabe oyomo Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya. Asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik. Siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190. Kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within Gusii wanaintu torono konyo Gusii soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sacco na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeto na Gusii yeto esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Educa yo